Guys, one of my favorite deals this week is this Tresemme deal. It is on sale 2 for $8. Then additionally, when you spend $15, you get a $5 gift card. My store does not have the sign up for the $5 gift card, but it is in the ad. I'm gonna see if it's somewhere else around here. Okay, so what you would need to do is buy 4, and that will be $16 for 4. Use 2 of these $4 off to insert coupons, and you will pay $8 at the register. Then you get a $5 gift card back. Your store may take that $5 off automatically and not give you the gift card, so you would pay $3 for 4 of these. Or if they hand you the $5 gift card back, you can just roll it next time, but it's like paying 75 cents each. Amazing deal on these big 28-ounce Tresemmes. A couple more days to do this Advil deal. It ends with the current extra savings flyer, which last day is Friday. Advil is regular price of $4.49 for these 24 count caplets. There's a $2 off coupon in the extra savings flyer, and there's a $2 digital coupon for 18 count or more, making these just 49 cents a piece. Hammer toothpaste are on sale BOGO at $3.89. We have a 50-cent off printable coupon, which I will put in the link below, making them $1.45 a piece. Your vitamins, mine have these Flintstone vitamins on clearance for $4.49. I'm not sure if there's any coupons out right now, but it looks like all these 60 count chewable tablets are $4.49. There's other deals to be had. There's prenatal vitamins for $8.99, which is a really great deal. So check your vitamin deals. I'm going to kind of scan through here so you guys can get an idea. There's Sundown fish oil for $5.34. Nature Made one a day for $7.50, the big things. So check your coupons in the coupon database, and if these are items that you use, you may want to check your vitamin section. The next great deal this week is these Green Giant Simply Steamers, the riced vegetables. Super, those are, oh, here they are. The rice vegetables are BOGO at $1.99. There is a $1 off 1 printable coupon, which I will put in the link below. If you buy 2, use 2, these will be free. This is always a favorite deal of mine when it goes on at Publix because it's easy dinner. Steakums are on sale BOGO this week, starting at $3.99. See, I don't see them. Normally the chicken ones, there they are. The chicken ones are $3.99. The steak ones, I believe, are $4.99. Regardless, I have 3 healthy eating boys, so it takes 2 packages of these, but there's 6 steaks in each package. It's a pretty cheap dinner at $4.99. I get some Publix hoagie rolls and some mozzarella cheese and mushrooms and tater tots, and it's an easy dinner for pretty cheap. Okay, everybody's favorite deal this week. I know it's my favorite deal. Talentini ice cream is on sale BOGO. They start at $4.79. There is a $2.50 off 2 printable coupon, as well as a $1.25 off 1 printable coupon. So you could use either of those coupons on the sale. Buy 2, use one of the $2.50 off 2 coupon, or 2 of the $1.25 off 1 coupons, and pay, what did it come to? Like, it doesn't matter what it comes to. It's an amazing deal. We pay full price for this, don't we? It comes to $1.18 a container for the cheap $4.79 ones. Obviously, if you grab the $5.99 ones, it's going to be a little bit more. Beyond Meat breakfast sausages are on sale BOGO at $4.89. There's a $2 off coupon in the link below. If you're in a half BOGO area, you can buy one at $2.45. Use the $2 off coupon and pay just 45 cents for these. If you're in a true BOGO area, the coupon is a limit one. Look at the spice. Look, it's exciting. The coupon is limit one. So you could buy use one of the $2 off coupon and then one of the $1 off digital coupon and pay $1.89 for two. These Vanettas are on sale in the extra savings flyer for $4.99. The rebate on Fetch for a 100% cash back came back, so you would buy one of these, submit to Fetch, and it will be completely free. They will give you $4.99 back in points. There is a new digital coupon for a free box of these soft baked bars by General Mills. They are $2.99 regular price, and I found them on the cereal aisle with the regular breakfast bars. So you could pick up a box of these for free with that digital coupon if you clip it soon. Beyond Meat breakfast sausages are on sale BOGO at $4.89. There's a $2 off coupon in the link below. If you're in a half BOGO area, you can buy one at $2.45. Use the $2 off coupon and pay just 45 cents for these. If you're in a true BOGO area, the coupon is a limit one. Look at the spice. Look, it's exciting. The coupon is limit one. So you could use one of the $2 off coupon and then one of the $1 off digital coupon and pay $1.89 for two. Speaking of dinner ideas, Publix boneless, skinless chicken breast is on sale this week. BOGO at $4.99 a pound. This is great chicken. Also, the chicken drumsticks are BOGO at $2.19 a pound. So you can get the wings, the chicken thighs, or drumsticks are BOGO at $2.19 a pound. You can get a very reasonable package for BOGO at $3.88, $3.77, depending on which ones you pick up. I use the chicken thighs in my chicken and dumplings, so this is a great deal. Score! Look at this. What's it called? I'm blanking. Tear pad I found. $2 off any one Smithfield Anytime Favorites thick cuts hickory sliced ham. Oh, they also got $1 off coupons on them, and they're on sale this week for $4.99 a pound. Let's see how much a package is. They're about $11. Not the greatest deal, but not bad. If you are interested in trying this Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar, which I would assume is pretty good because I like the Diet Dr. Pepper. If I have to drink a diet drink, that would be the one I'd choose. They are BOGO this week. The 6-packs are BOGO this week at $5.79. That's kind of pricey. There's a $1 off to digital coupon for just the Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar. So that would make them 2 for $4.79. These big razors are on sale, $1 off. So that would make these $6.67 here at the store. And there's a $4 digital coupon or insert coupon, making them $2.67 for this package. Pretty great deal if you ask me. These Russell Stover's chocolates are on sale BOGO this week. If you need to pick up something for your mom for Mother's Day, these would be a great gift. There's a $1 off 2 coupon in your Smart Source $4.25. So you could buy 2 at $9.99. Use the $1 off 2 coupon and pay just $4.50 each. Challenge butter is on sale BOGO at $4.99. There are 50-cent off printable coupons, which I will put in the link below, making them $3.99 for 2. Then you can submit to a Ibotta for another 50 cents back on each one, making them $2.99 for 2, or as low as 50 cents a piece.